repeat these things. So in case of A plus B plus, you want to extension of this cylinder A. To have a extension of cylinder A, you have an extension of cylinder A, you need input from here. So actuation of this thing, for this one we have used a 3x2 wall and another 3x2 wall to control the another position. Now dependency of cylinder A and B is such a way that when we get A plus, then that extended position, which is your sensor S2, will be used to have the extension position of cylinder B. So that will be B plus. Once it reaches to B plus, so this position of piston will be a new position, which is S4. This is again used to control the position of A minus. So it is simple. It is simple because here we are dealing with A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus. So I will just play this one so you will get an idea of this thing. So A plus, then B plus, and retract A minus, and again this will be B minus. So it is a continuous cycle which I have used for a last lecture. So today we are going with these things. Already I have shared on WhatsApp the diagram of this one. Now a new case will be this case where you need A plus, B plus, and again B minus, and then A minus. So now it's difficult. Why it's difficult? Just pay attention over here. I will play and then we will recreate it from start, again from scratch. So here you can see, when I press this button, you can see A plus, B plus. I will reduce the speed so that I need to change the flow. So I will put this as a 1. This 2 as a 1. Okay. Bolo, doubt hai kuch? Hello. Okay, no issue. So we have this thing. So now click on play. So here you can see A plus, then we'll add B plus, then B minus, then we have A minus. If you press this button, you get A plus, B plus, B minus, and A minus. Now, so now in case of for this purpose, why we need a cascading method? So consider this cylinder, focus on a cylinder B. In case of a cylinder B, simply you can see that when we have the B plus and then again we have a B minus, here you can see consecutively B plus and then B minus. Now when we have the B plus and B minus consecutively, then there will be a conflict. Now how you will get that conflict? It's simple. Here you can see. So there will be input from this side also and there will be input from this side also. So that creates a conflict and it will not work. So we need a power line L1 and L2. So we are creating this one. It's working such a way that when this gate actuated L2, L1 will be off. Now how to do that one? We'll start from scratch. So I'm opening a new file, new. Now firstly we need 2 cylinders. So that will be double acting cylinder. You can select double acting cylinder from here. For zooming, you can use control and the middle button of your mouse to scroll. Double click. Configuration, you can change the configuration. I have made also a video. I will share you that video also with you. Cushioning. Then coming to the actuating level, press S1. So in case of S1, I will put it as a 0. Then S2, displacement that to be 100. So that is the other end, right hand side. Click on OK. So this will be the case. Now we need 2 cylinders, that is A. So this will be your cylinder 2. Now again, I will go for this one, S1 0 and S2 100. Click on OK. So that will be my S1, S2. Now for simplicity and to understanding purpose, I will name these cylinders. Name this as a cylinder A. Give it as a bold. Okay. So this is your cylinder A. Copy paste by using C and V. Control C, Control V. So this is my cylinder B. Now I'll zoom here. That nomenclature is that this is A minus, this will be A plus position. This is B minus and this will be B plus position. Now what is my requirement over here in this case? So we need to do A plus needed, then I need B plus, then needed is your B minus, then A minus. Okay. Now in this case, this is my requirement functioning of this one as A plus, B plus, and this one. Okay. Now to achieve this one, it's difficult to achieve B plus and B minus in one go. So that's why we are cutting this into the two part. First half, A plus, B plus. So we will use a one line to control A plus, B plus, and another power line to control B minus and A minus. As I said earlier, and you have an image with you on your phone. WhatsApp group, I have already shared that thing, the image file which you can open on mobile also. So we have A plus, B plus. Now to control both cylinder, you need, cylinder B, this will be cylinder A. Now to control each cylinder, we need a 5x2 wall. So select a 5x2 wall from here. Sir, here got you 5x2 way wall. So you need two 5x2 way wall. Again, if you double click, this is solenoid operated, so you need to change by double clicking on this one, or simply I will select the previous one which we have selected. This will be the same wall. This is a raw wall which we can use to. So two 5x2 walls will be required. So to configure it, double click on these things. So I will keep both pneumatically operated. Both ends should be pneumatically operated. Correct? So same is the case of the other wall. So for simplicity, I'm doing it and the first go only. So pneumatically operated. Now to make a connections, we will use this connection to control this. From here to here. Then similarly for this, we have connections like this. So done with this thing. So now you need to control first position, that is A plus. To have cylinder ka position to A plus, you need input from this side so that this will get actuated. To give input, here I will use a compressor. Input from compressor to this thing. Similarly, you need one more compressor to give input from this end. This will be the drain. So you can keep it open to atmosphere, or you can use a sucker. Here I am keeping it open to atmosphere. So that is fine. Okay, fine. So now we have a 5x2 wall now controlling of this 5x2 wall. So to actuate this position, we need input from this side. So now this input we can achieve from both way. In previous A plus, B plus, A minus, B minus, we have used the 3x2 wall. Now it's easy to have that position. Now this is a bit complicated compared to that one. So we need a power line. Now how to create this power line? Simply use two compressor, connect between this compressor, and then have one more compressor. So just pay attention, this is needed. So I will have a connection from here to here. Similarly, we will have connection from here to here. Now copy these things, because as this is two cylinder, we need two power line. So these are the two power lines. If you delete remaining things, so here you can see these are the two power lines. So I will name it as a L1 and L2. Simply insert text. If you have any doubt, please let me know till this. So I will have this text. Click this as a line 1. So this is line 1. Similarly, I will have line 2. So now we need a mechanism through which you can toggle between this power line. Now how to do that one? You need a wall to actuate this thing. So for this purpose, I'm using a 4x2 wall. 4x2 wall is similar to your 5x2 wall, but here we have only 4 ports and 2 positions. So here you can see 4x2 wall. So this is your 4x2 wall. Now 4x2 wall is the wall where we have got 2 positions and 4 ports. So double click on these things to configure it. For configuration, we'll put this also numerically operated, both and numerically operated. Now you need an input from here for here also. So we'll use a compressor to give the input. So this is compressor. I will connect this input to this end. Other end you can keep it as a open to atmosphere. Okay. So we have this now controlling of this thing. So time being, I'm using this to toggle between line 1 and line 2. So I will have a connection output of this one to this line 1, L1, and output of this to L2. So at a point, out of 2 line, 1 will be active and 1 will be dead. So we need, when we need input for A plus and B plus, we will use line 1. When we need input for A minus, B minus, or B minus, A minus, we will use line 2. Now how to toggle between this one? Now starting with this one for controlling this. So we will start with our cycle, that is A, not cycle, it's A plus, B minus, A minus. We can make also it as a cycle. We'll discuss that at the end. So we have this power line. So now to actuate, you need input from this side. So to have an input for this side, you need live L1. So I will give a simple connection between line this one. To have a line L1 to be actuate, you need this position to be in place. To have this position in a place, we need input from this side. So I will use a 3x2 wall to control this end. So this will be my 3x2 wall. Double click. I will put it as a mechanically or manually you can put to have an initial start. Other end I will put it as a spring return 3x2 wall. Connections will be from this end to this end. I hope everything is going smooth. So this will be the case. Now you need again
3x2 wall क्यों use कर रहे हैं explain करना.
यहाँ पे 3x2 yes. Why we are using 3x2 wall? Because now I am focusing only on the one trace, that is on a trace of this thing. A plus, B minus, A minus will take place. So this is the initial actuation. You can make it automatically also. This toggling of a line L1 and L2, I am making it manually. That is pressing once. If you want to make it automatically, you can use this word. So this is to control line L1 and L2 ka liveness input. Clear? So we will have an output of this thing, that is spring return. Again, you need an input for this also. So I will use a compressor. Use a compressor here. So input will be from here to here. Okay. I hope ज़्यादा ठीक है. ठीक है? दिख रहा है? Fine. So we have a control of this one. Now we will start with this thing. So here, when we are pressing this button, so this will get actuate positions. Then line L1 will be live because this compressor ka air will move from here to here, and you will get a live line L1. Once this line is L1, you will get input from here. Now when this will get actuate, your S1 piston will move from position S1 to S2. So now consider this S2 position. Once it reach to S2, we want A plus and then B plus. So we'll use S2 position to actuate this the cylinder B. So for to actuation, I will use a 3x2 wall. So again, in the 3x2 wall. So this is my 3x2 wall to control. So I'm taking it. To shift something, you can select all. Once you select this one, then you can move like this. So to understand, I am doing this thing. So we have this iska control. First will be mechanically by using a ruler. Return, I will put it as a spring return. So this input is from this S2. Once it reaches to S2, then we will actuate cylinder B. So click over here and write S2. Okay. Now, once we have a line L1 live, so I will use input from here. I'm not using a compressor here. Please pay attention. Here I am using from line L1. Why we need L1? Because for this cylinder, when we have the extension stroke by using this 3x2 wall, there will be input. But when this line we will switch, then there will be no input for this side. So that's why on left hand side, compressed air will be not there, and that's why B minus will take place. Otherwise, if you use compressor, that there will be always compressed air, and B minus is not possible, or it will be conflicted. So we'll use this input from here to here, right? So now I will get B plus. A plus हुआ मेरा. Now I am going for B plus. Now here this I need to change this one.
Sir, S3 or S4?
Yes. I just copied it and I forgot to change the name. So we'll put this as a S4. As you go in a flow, you will come to know where you made a mistake. So I just copied it and I forgot to change the names. Right? So S3 and S4. So now S3 piston will move from S3 to S4. Once it reaches to S4, I need B minus. Correct? So this is the position after B plus. It's not A minus. So to have a B minus, I need S4. Means I need input from here when it reaches to S4, and also cut off of this side. So now I need to toggle between line 1 and line 2. Now how you can toggle between line 1 and line 2? By using another 3x2 wall to control 4x2 wall. So I will use a 3x2 wall over here. From here I will give input here. For input to this will be from line L1 because this is live now. You want to change controlling of this one, I will put it pneumatically. Retraction will be spring return. So this is my case. Sorry, I will put this control will be mechanically because I want to control it by position of S4. So this position S4 I will use over here. Once I get S4, double click over here, then you can write S4. So this is the position. This will get actuate when it will be S4. So when I press this one, or S4 will get actuate. Now this will switch the, here we will have the input from line 1 and output will be to the controlling these things. Once this get actuated, my line will change. Now my L1 will be dead and L2 will be a live line. समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे? This is the critical point where you need to understand how I am toggling between the line 1 and line 2. Here, pay attention, input is from L1, line live. And you are changing that output to make it off line 1 and to make line 2 live as this comes in the contact. Okay? So that is up to line 2. Now my line 2 is live and line L1 is not active. Means यहाँ पे there will be no input. यहाँ पे input नहीं रहेगा तो यहाँ पे input नहीं रहेगा. Now we don't have a compressed air from left hand side. That is S3 position से piston के तरफ there will be no compressed air. Now we need to have compressed air from S4. Now how you will get the S4 compressed air? This will be the input. I will use directly input from line 2 because now this is live. So you can have a input from here directly to line L2. Now when you will praise this thing, so just pay attention यहाँ पे. I guess I have completed everything. कुछ बार हाँ यहाँ पे we have a open. So you need to make it to the open to atmosphere or a sucker. ठीक है? कहीं पे कुछ बाकी है. I hope we made everything. So we will start with this thing. Click open connection. Okay, there are open connections still. So here we have an open connection. Compressed air. Double click. We'll make it to the open to atmosphere. Now I don't think we have any open thing. So we'll
Sir,
just
सिलेंडर ए का
ये
right.
सिलेंडर का राइट साइड वाला.
yes. Sorry. We did B minus, but still we need to A minus. A minus का I forgot to do A minus. So A minus भी तो करना है ना. Once it reaches, so step by step we have started with this thing. So firstly we did, I will just repeat, A plus, then B plus, now B minus by using this thing. So it will get shifted. Now once it gets shifted back to B minus, we need to do A minus. So I will use S3 position to make it minus. So again I will use a 3x2 wall. And out of this 3x2 wall, we need an input. I will put over here. Output of this one to control the S2 position. Input will be mechanically operated. And this operation, I will put it as a spring return 3x2 wall. Double click on this one and put it as a S3. So when it reaches to S3, this will get actuated. Now input for this thing is from live line L2. And I will make this to brown or sucker, right? So I guess now everything is in place. This I want to make it to the, so now we don't have any open connection. अगर रहेगा तो we will, अरे बाप रे, ठीक है. So just I will play this one. I guess we have time, no? So click on play. So lines through connection, that is okay. You can ignore it. So when I'm pressing this button, so I need A plus, B minus, A minus. So trace A plus, B plus, A minus. To see it clearly, I will go step by step. So when I press this one, so you can see compressed air. This black arrow indicates compressed air. So it will enter over here. Now this position will come in picture. So it will shift the position. So now you can see compressed air from this compressor is moving to direct this one. Line is active. Bolo? Is there any doubt? So line 2 is active. So here you can see the dark blue color indicates line is active. So from here you will get input to this position and this position. So next step, so you can see line 2 because that was the last operation, which is B minus, A minus. So it takes from that. Now you can see toggling between line L1 and L2. Now it is line L1 which is live. From L1 we can see compressed air over here, then here and here. Sorry, these two positions, and this is third position. Now focus on this cylinder A. This input is getting, so this will come in picture and this will get actuated. Once it get actuated, compressed air will pass towards the left hand side of this cylinder. So here you can see, यहाँ से it is entering and यहाँ से बाहर आ रहा है compressed air, the entrapped air, and this will be open to atmosphere. Arrows, black arrows represent the compressed air. So click on play. So here you can see movement of a cylinder A. Once it reaches to S2, you will get a sound. So this is the range. So once it reaches to this one, so you will have the positive यहाँ पे B plus का. So S2 will be used over here. Here you can see it is overlapping. I will remove it later on. But this will get actuated and you will get compressed air on this side. So here you can see compressed air from live is coming to this end. Click on play. So now this position will get actuated. Compressed air will enter from this port. It will push pistons onto for an extension stroke, and this entrapped air will flow through this port 2 to port 3 and open to atmosphere or a sucker. So next step. So here you can see movement of a B cylinder. Once it reach to the end, sorry, okay, we have a battery. So once it reaches to that end, we can see now S4 got actuated. So here pay attention now on the downward side 3x2. As S4 got actuated, this will get actuated. Input will be from line 1 and output you will get from here to here. Next step, here you can see movement. As this will get actuated, this position will come in picture. So yeah, here you can see. Now still this point line L1 is in active position. As you press this one, line will toggle and line L2 will be in a live position. This will be the live position. If you press next, then it will go for the input from here to here. This will take position of